Hello, it's good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. Today, I want us to start off with the chart on the screen. This is EURUSD. So I will not add any indicators on this chart. I will just want to use like a pure price action. There's nothing to be added. So we start off with the daily chart. So on the daily chart, other than what we had in the past, we had a very good trend line here. This was like a contracting wedge formation. And then just recently, we had this trend line here. So you can see we had a support here, we had a support here, we had a support here, we had a support here. Then the price broke below this supportive trend line. It retraced back, almost sustaining itself above this level. Then just earlier today, the price broke below the same place. So this could be a sign that we are now sellers. We are now expecting price to sell off, at least up to this point here. So on this chart, if you're looking at the EURUSD, expect sellers to push price to the lower side. Expect sellers to keep looking for more sell positions. We expect a possible long-term sell positions. If the price can pull back to this trend line here, that will give us the best place to look for a sell from. Our stop loss is fixed at this point here. Then our take profit is this and this one here. So we do have two take profits. We have the first one here, we have the next one here, and then the third one is actually here. So if you sell it, ensure you take profits at those levels. My next symbol, the next symbol is the GBPUSD. With the GBPUSD as it is now, the daily chart looks a bit better. So you remember what I mentioned some few days ago, you were actually looking for a buy on this chart. We had our trend line there. Our horizontal support level, we had it somewhere within this zone here. So we mentioned that if the price didn't break below 1.36, 1.3561, then this could have acted as a good place to look for a buy from. So as it is now, as the price is now, we are looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the upper side and touch 1.3821. So we are going to be buyers up to this point here. And if the price continues to sustain itself below 1.3561, then we're going to look for sell positions at least up to this point here. So we are technically sellers up to this target here. If the price breaks below that point, then our next target is this one here, 1.363206. Does that make sense? So as long as the price is held below 1.3561, we're going to look for more sell positions at least up to this level here. My next symbol is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, you can see that the price has actually gone way below where we expected it to rebound from. We had our level here. We had a level here. So we had a resistance here. The price broke above, we had support, and there's a break below this point. So as it is now, we're expecting a possible pullback up to this point here before the price can sell off at least up to 1.4306.8. So that will be the best place to sell it from. Our first take profit is here. If you don't sell it, which I don't recommend you look for sell, because overall this symbol is in an uptrend. So I expect price to come back down up to this point here, bounce off from this level, then head straight to the upper side. My next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart, if you look at the monthly chart, it's actually a downtrend. If you look at the monthly chart and you reduce it like this, you can see that we are actually in an active downtrend. So you can see that from this one, this is from the inception, the price has been downwards. We retraced back. We had a resistance, and a resistance here. On the lower side, we have some supportive trend line. These ones. So as it is now on this chart, we are actually looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the lower side. So if you're on this chart right now, this here, ensure you look for more sell positions. We are expecting those sell to push price at least up to this point here. I hope that makes a lot of sense. My next symbol is gold. So gold is within a range. You can see that this is what we keep mentioning on this chart, because our idea of this chart has not changed a bit, because the price is still somehow inside the shape itself. So we have that, and then we have this one here. So the price comes and touches this trend line, that will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we'll pick a sell there, expecting the sell to push us back at least up to this point here. And in case the price breaks above this upper trend line, then that will be the best place to look for a buy from, at least up to this point here. So technically, a break beyond this level will attract buy positions up to this point here. A break below the lower trend line will attract sell positions, at least up to this point here. The next symbol is the Brent oil. The Brent oil, so far, the lines we had previously are the ones that are still on this side. We've not changed a bit. So the price actually went above 84.71. This will be the correct place to look for a buy from. So should the price pull back and touch this zone, then that will give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.